Yo, what it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once. We Are Not the Same. Magazine dedicated to what? Dedicated to shit that I'm into. ZN. I'm your host, Phoenix the Fireboy, aka P Fire, aka Master P, aka Egg and Peas. I don't know. I said it, I meant it. Fish and peas, chips and peas, whatever. And this is another episode of And Also. It's been a while since I've done an And Also, so I might as well get right into it. On today's episode of And Also, we have an unboxing. And let's get right into it. Oh, just like I would do in 2 Feet Bare Crepes, I'm gonna drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. In the beginning room, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. So today we have this. I know last time you lot was trolling me and talking about, don't you know how to open a box and things like that, because I was using the scissors like some sort of nomad. Anyhow, shit, I don't even have scissors on me, so I'm gonna have to get something and get back to this. Un momento, people, un momento. Alright gang, you'd think that the amount of packages that I've opened, I'd actually have something. Instead, I'm using this. Ooh. It might actually do the job. It's a pen, guys. Yep, I've already broken the pen. Well done, Fireboy. Well done. I knew it was going to break the moment I bloody... Yep. Look at that. Broke the nib, broke everything. I mean, what am I? You know, why have I not got a knife? It's a knife. 21 Savage, yeah, you might not get it. But anyway, it's a knife. Anyway, yes. Let's do this, guys. This is all part of the fun. I'll be honest, this is how I open letters. You know, men, like, rather than just sort of lifting up the thing, you know, we'll open the whole thing, tear the letter inside, you know, just so that we can prove our manliness. Well, that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Boom. Listen, have you ever seen an opening like that? Boom. Let's get rid of that. Got the address. And then voila. What we got here, guys? What we got here? Let's do some more packaging. This one I can be a little bit more, how shall I say, light-fingered with it. Let me give you, yes, gentle. Shall we gentle? Let's be gentle, guys. Oh, that sound is always really nice, isn't it? Okay. What do we have here? What do we have here? Have a gander at that, people. 50 anni. Right? CP Company. This is the latest book that they've released. CP Company, An Informal History of Italian Sportswear. Look at that. 50th anniversary. 50 anni ver. I might have made up the anniversary, but 50 definitely. Italian anniversary, I'm not sure, but 50 anni. So that's 50 years. Shall we have a cheeky little look? Pardon my sweaty face. I might have to mop down. It's really hot in and out here. Okay, beautiful people. Just like with the Stone Island book, which I showed you a while back, I'm not going to go into mass details about this. I'm just going to show you some pages so you can see. And then at a later date, I will go through this in a bit more detail. But for now, it's just an opening. It's a showing. It's a unveiling, a revealing, a share. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so straight off we have this sort of like, it's kind of like thick paper. It's not cardboardy. Yeah, it's cardboard, but you know, just like literally a normal cardboard, which is quite interesting. I don't think I've had a book that just has that normal cardboardy on. And of course, you got the famous goggle jacket right there on the backhand side. And that printer is actually sort of glossy. That picture is glossy, as is the front one. Okay, so CP Company 071 to 21, and of course that means 1971 to 2021. Okay, so let's have, oh no, sorry, that's 971 to 021, which is 1971 to, obviously. So this was curated by Lodovico Pignatti Morano, and the photos are by Neil Bedford. It's published in association with Idea. Okay, So, introduction, glossary, blah, 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 as you do. And then, of course, look, and that if that's not emoji heaven, I don't know what to do. So you've got all these people wearing CP companies, different jackets. As you can see, I really like the layout of this, actually. I really do love that. That's dope. I love that. That's dope. I just love, you know, it's like little stamps and stuff. I like that. That's pretty cool. Bunch of writing, as you can see, bunch of writing. Oh, that's dope, innit? Look at that. It's a nice picture, nice pair of headphones, CP Company jacket, no doubt CP Company. Oh, those are CP Company headphones as well. Really, does that say Rixton? Okay. Oh, that's fire. You know what I'm saying? That's fire. Looking dope. Some nice little military aesthetic slash hiking, camping aesthetic. Got some nice Nikes on the old feetage there, which I do like. Kind of remind me of you know, some fragment colorways, you know, of the Sakai's that just recently dropped. Hey, y'all who know that it do, you get me. This is Beppe Angiolini. Hold on, Angiolini. Beppe Angiolini. Well, Beppe, you are a fly ass motherfucker. Look at that. Looks like Mancini, actually, Roberto Mancini. But yeah, dope. As you can see, nice little color there. That's an old jacket. You can see the wear and tear. Really fly. I'm just gonna fly through. You know. Oh, that's dope. You know, that's a proper casual look right there, innit? You know what I mean? Proper casual look right there. That's a dope picture. That's Angela Baraldi. I thought it was Charlene Spiteri just on the first look. Charlene Spiteri, Texas, right? Texas, yeah. But anyway, yeah, dope. Some dopeness going on here. Look. Oh, that looks like a bit of bathing ape underneath there, mixed with a bit of chippy. Dope, you know. Oh, that's fly. That's fly. That is really fly. Got the Moschino jeans on there, bit of mosh there. So you see, mixing the Italian brands, fly, staying fly, man. You know. Oh my god, and I swear that hat, is that not a Wale Adeyemi hat right there? I swear it is. If you know about Wale Adeyemi, you remember he had sort of that graffiti writing, and David Beckham sort of made it famous outside of the manor. You know, if you were sort of young and urban, you knew about it, but David Beckham made it famous to the masses. I'm sure that's a Wale Adeyemi hat. But yeah, check him out. He does a label called B-Side. He's still fly, you know what I mean? Beautiful woman there. Very, very pretty face. I love that. Love the red hair. Yeah, let's just go through, you know, jackets, caps, looks. There's a whole bunch of looks here, man. You know what I'm saying? Like that whistle look popping off there. Oh, that's a look. Look at that. Air Max 1s. Boom. GP Company. Fly. Goggles. Come on. That looks a bit like a bit of shearling right there. I think it is. Really, really nice, man. Really nice piece, that. Super dope piece. I mean, this book is amazing. Look at that. Look at the detail on that. Tortoise shell on the hood. Oh, my God. Look at that. Fire. I'm loving this book. I'm not going to lie. Oh, look. Watch viewer. Actual watch inside. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Hey, look at him. Mighty Eye himself. Our kid. Well, not our kid, but our kid at the same time. Look at him. Noel. Always fly as fuck. I'm sure his collection must be ridiculous as well. You know what I mean? Not just Liam. You know, I'm sure the collection is dumb. Of course, got a nice pair of Adidas. That is a great, great setup. Brown, green, and white crepes. What more do you want in life? Fly, fly, fly. You know? No. Just a G, innit? Just a G, man. Fucking G. Let's see what else we got. Yeah, man. Got a few. It's quite a heavy book. I'll tell you how many pictures are in it. Oh, that's dope. You know? got the Asian population, you know, they love a bit of Stony and a bit of CP as well, you know. There's a whole scene out there in sort of Japan and, you know, places like that where they proper dig the casual scene. So yeah, mad fly that, you know. And of course you got some more sort of like looks and stamp collector kind of pictures, you know what I'm saying. Oh, that's a really pretty pink. Lucio Dalla, I think he was a singer. They recently released, because it's 50 years of CP, they're releasing a number of sort of projects. So from t-shirts to jackets to this book to a lot. I think there's a lot of stuff coming this year. I think maybe 12 or 15 things. This was one of the t-shirts, I believe. If not, they did a rendering of this with Lucio Dalla. I remember because I saw it. I don't know if it's this one in particular. I think those ones were white, but yeah, that was part of the 50th. So yeah, there's lots of more stuff to come. They've got a Barbour CP collection coming. Look, just jackets, that's flying up. It's really dope, that piece there, really nice. Oh, I think that's the same one that guy was wearing that I showed you earlier with the shirling. I think that is actually it. I need to look into that. That's a dope piece. I wonder if mans can find it and what year. So yeah, little trousers and stuff. There you go, more lookage, more little bits. Like I said, I might go into detail a bit more if it's something you guys are interested in. But yeah, that is really the book, guys. Let me take a seat. Cheapy Company 971 to 021, an informal history of Italian sportswear. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the little short preview, little look that I gave you. You already know what it is. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. As always, you guys are beautiful. You guys are amazing. Little drip check today. I am wearing a Bear 77 tee. Now, this is my logo, Bear 77 tee. Shout out my boy Mark. He's always like, I'm not watching none of your videos till you show something, Bear 7. I was like, look, it's coming back. It's just, I don't want to show the people and then they can't acquire it. But I'm bringing Bear 77 back again next year. As you can see, I got it tatted on me. It's not a joke, you know what I'm saying? Tatted right there. Yeah, and it's basically my label. Me and my cousin, we started it up, and yeah, we do t-shirts. At the moment, we have three pieces. We have this t-shirt here, logo t-shirt. All pieces, there are only 77 pieces made for sale. So yeah, so like this we'll do in a black, we'll only do 77. Then if we do a white, maybe with a black print, 77. Exactly, you get the picture. I've got some caps, custom made caps as well, with this logo on it. And I've got another t-shirt called Rhyme and Reason. So I will be showing this to you guys. I'm gonna do a and also, or a whatever the fuck I want to talk about, and I'm literally going to break it down. So it's going to be the next couple coming up. I'm going to break it down, and yeah, if you want to buy a piece of these, let me know. I'm going to just tell you from straight, these are like £40, you know, like I said, limited edition. I only do 77 of each. The quality is proper, you know, I'm not trying to charge 40 quid for shit. It's proper, and yeah, let me know if you're interested. But yeah, I will talk more about it, and the website will soon be up and you'll be able to get what you need. So shout out my boy Mark, mad love, you know. I love when your friends push you and give you pep talks, you know. Yeah, it's love always. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the book, because it really is a dope book. I can't wait to actually look at it in a bit more depth. And yeah, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And as always, you guys have been beautiful. This has been another episode of And Also. I've been your host, CP. Enjoyed your company. Haha. Terrible. And this has been Once We Are Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, ZN. And as always, guys, stay fly, be dope, and be cool, Eddie. Papa.